Hi everybody, Brian here from quantlabs.net. So today I wanted to go over, I guess, an important factor when it comes to live trading, setting up an account with something like Kraken. I've talked about why I use Kraken. Um, so for now, I'm just going to focus on Kraken. A couple things that we need to talk about. What I'm about to show you is how to build a bot. Part of some like maybe a one-line code snippet on how to do this. If you want to learn more how to do this, you could either go to quantlabs.net/bot. You fill out the order here and submit it, get a book, and I'll follow up with some other good stuff. So if you want to if you want to know how to do this with a course, all you got to do is come over to the store, the quantlabs.net on the top here. Pick off either the Python course that will take you to here, and you can buy this particular course as a whole walkthrough of what's in it and how what's enabled. Also, if you want that plus this video plus the private code that I've been putting up for the last week or so, including what I'm about to show you, just come into the Elite membership, and that is here. Quant Elite membership right here. That will take you to another membership. Right now for 3 years, a disgustingly cheap price. Actually, really an extra $40 versus the Python course per year. And you'll get all the stuff that I'm posting regularly now in the Elite, including all the source code. Last week, the source code for my next strategy was posted. I just made those private now. So that's closed off pretty well to everybody and anybody. So as it stands right now, you probably want to know about the code, how to trade in Kraken, and how I do it. I just put up a post on my blog at quantlabs.net/blog. Name of the article is Sample Orders with Cryptocurrency Algo Trading Bot in Python. So in here, I've given some references where to go to get some sample code with Kraken specifically for this. And there's market orders, there's talk of leverage and take profit and stop loss, but apparently that functionality in the exchange of Kraken has been disabled. I don't know. I tried it, it doesn't work. So that's where we're at. But there's some other links there as well. Another big thing I've done is when it comes to trading minimum amount of orders, right here in this link, really important two-step process I go through in that video I just posted into my Elite. So I've talked about the minimum orders that you need in a US dollar. Actually, it's Bitcoin in US dollars, a two-step process when it comes to Kraken and starting an account. You have to identify yourself via email and phone, maybe. I think the phone's optional, but definitely by email. From there, you have some severe limitations, but to trade fiat with US dollar, as for instance, you need to then step up to the next level where you need to identify yourself via typical government document and also utility bank to show where you live, to show your residency. So from there, then you can start trading in USD. So with this in mind, I talk about in the video which coins are best to start trading with when it comes to early trading bot development. Because if you are going to start out of the gate trading something like, let's say, Chainlink, for every trade you put on, you have to have $22. This is, again, today's rate on October 16th, I think. Yeah, October 16th. So for every trade you want to test with, let's say, Chainlink, it's going to cost you $22, I think. I'm hoping I got this right. EOS, $8. Dash, $2. Monero, $5. These are just approximate depending upon where the market's at on the exchange rate between, let's say, Bitcoin and US dollar. So there's a few there that are very low that I would start your early bot development. It's really only two. There's one that's less than, it looks like, if I'm not mistaken, I hope it's not a typo, for less than a penny per trade. Disgustingly cheap to start your trading with that crypto. You can get it here. So in the code, is just snippets and comments, and I talk about them very specifically in this video. Here's an example with CCXT, which I do talk about in this Python course. I'm always making reference back to this Python course. Without the knowledge of this, you need to kind of learn this course and the framework that goes along with it. Because if you do, you'll be able to develop bots very quickly. So, from my perspective, as of now, this has a huge impact on what I trade live and test at the same time. So, I've got numerous strategies now in the can, and with crypto, and I'm only going to be doing maybe one or two at the outset when it comes to the live trading on everything on the new stuff. Originally, I put up one last week on the simple moving average. I think I could just do Bitcoin only. I'm going to change that and go with the only one crypto I want to do instead of Bitcoin. And once I'm comfortable with the performance of the bot on the long run, then I'll start adding in more coins, which I can easily do through the Python code. So I talk about all that in the video that's being posted for my elite members. So over time, you can see I'm trying to incentivize people to get into this if this is where you want to go with Python development, and at the same time be able to minimize your risk when you go out doing your algo trading. Because I'll tell you, if you do it the wrong way, man, and you do not have a winning bot and you're trading, making too many big trades, you will lose money fast, very quickly, because of the volatility. But I'm showing you here how to minimize all that. So hopefully, if you want, again, get more information here at the quantlabs.net/bot, or you can also directly sign up if you want with the Python course to start with. You come into the elite here, into the store at quantlabs.net, pick off the elite membership or the Python, and it'll give you the full explanation of how to join. Over now. Hopefully I'll help you out, and we shall talk to you soon on another topic.